little more, so do watch out for that. It's down around 0.7% as we speak, and the Nifty, in fact, also now down around 30 odd points. But let's get talking on another company. We have Prakash Tulsiani, the ED and COO of Allcargo Logistics, who joins in. Mr. Tulsiani, thank you very much for joining in. While we understand that the GST will obviously facilitate movement of goods, how much of these benefits will flow down to Allcargo Logistics?
Allcargo Logistics company is the only Indian company which has an integrated service provider that is in the logistics field. We are a one-stop solution. What will happen as and when the GST is rolled out, there will be companies which will require more logistics. They'll have more logistics requirement. There'll be need for logistics, to be done in a different way compared to what it is done today. Today, if we look at most of the companies, the manufacturing side, when they do the distribution, they go on the basis of taxation rather than on logistics needs. Now, it will be based on the logistics requirement of each of the company. So they can set up the manufacturing plant, the distribution as they would like. And that is where, as logistics company, we will participate and help them achieve their goals of a distribution which is very effective and efficient.
Okay, so you have three segments, I believe, MTO, CFS and project business. Which of these segments will see the maximum benefit because of GST?
Our multimodal business is a global business. So there is a portion of that which comes from India. Well, there is no GST effect on that. But definitely on our CFS, our warehousing business, our contract logistics, which is a part of the P&D, which will see a lot of activity in it. So definitely these are the segments which are all India-based segments. We will see GST, improving our business proposition.
Okay, well, the margins in the CFS business did see a sharp uptick in Q2, but do you think they're sustainable at these levels? What's the outlook maybe in the second half?
Well, if you see our business, it is about efficiency, bringing in efficiency and increasing the market share. So as and when we grow our market share, we will certainly see the benefits of that straight away hitting to our margins. And as you see that given the market, which is where we are, the EXIM trade is not growing the way that we had all anticipated. Despite the numbers what we have performed very well in the second quarter, and our focus is continuously to deliver a product which is beneficial to the client and ensures that we bring in a lot of efficiency for them and thereby improve our margins.
Okay, you've announced the setting up of a new facility in Kolkata. When does that get commissioned? What's the capacity and the capex?
Kolkata CFS, we have recently been awarded the lease of that land through a bidding process from the Kolkata Port Trust. And this would be ready within a period of, let's say, 1 year from now. And the total capex for this project is 35 crores. Allcargo is the only company which is present in ports which control 80% of the Indian container volumes. Typically, they are Nhava Sheva, which is Mumbai, Chennai, and Mundra. These are the three ports which cover 80% of the container volumes. And we are the only company in logistics in India which has all the presence in all the three ports. Apart from this, of course, we have two other ICDs, one in Dadri and one in Kheda, which is in Indore, near Indore, sorry. And now we will be present also in the other major port, which is Kolkata. So this would be ready within a period of 1 year from now.
Okay. Now you have a major thrust on your third segment, which is the projects and the engineered business segment. But we haven't seen much of an uptick there in the first half. Why is that?
First of all, our P&D division is not the major thrust for us. It is an important thrust, let me add. We have three divisions, like the verticals, I would say. One is the MTO business, which is a global business, the multi-transport operating. Then we have the CFS, and then we have the P&D. The P&D covers our equipment division, it does project logistics, and also has a shipping division in it. So definitely the growth which we have seen there is the utilization. The way we should look at this particular division is, what is the utilization of the assets we have? Today we are upwards of 90%. And we are in various segments. again, we will see that these equipments are necessary or required. If you see in like metros which are built across cities and towns, we have got wind energy where our equipments are being used. And there are other power needs or grids which are being made where our equipments are being deployed. So we have done well in that particular division. And I see that this is, given the market situation also, our utilization is 90% above. I think we have done well.
All right, Ms. Tulsiani, thanks a lot for your time today. So that's Allcargo Logistics. Well, that's all the time we have on this show. But as we end, let's listen into Gautam Chowchari of UBS Securities.